Hi, I'm Matt Potter. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at iWealth. I've been in Waseca for more than 25 years. I'm married and have 3 kids. I love to be outside. I love to golf, and I like to cook for my family. Part of the reason that I like to do both of those things outside is that I also get to spend time with friends and family, both golfing as well as grilling or smoking different meats for my family and friends that come over. If I had the opportunity to travel anywhere, I would travel to Scotland with my wife. We both love to golf, and we'd love to see the culture of Scotland, experience the people, the accents, and especially the golf. One of the things that I've learned is that listening is extremely important. Listening to the people I work with, listening to our clients, and helping understand what everyone needs. Part of my job here at iWealth is to make sure that we deliver what people need, both the people I work with and our clients. I'm truly thankful to work with the people that I do at iWealth and for the clients that we have. I've had a number of different positions at other companies, and I love being in Waseca, working with the people that I work with and for the clients that we have. I am truly thankful for our clients and the team I work with at iWealth. I've had a number of different positions in my career, and I'm so thankful to be in Waseca helping people that I've known for more than 25 years.